In this tutorial in CyberLink PowerDirector for Mac, we're going to look at how to obtain the other resources that are available for 365 subscribers. When you first subscribe and download the program, you download most of what you need to run PowerDirector, but there are 4.6 gigabytes of additional resources available, at least at this time, that you don't get at your initial install. How do you get those additional resources? We'd like to show you how to do that in this short tutorial. To do that, we need to go to the CyberLink Application Manager. Like many other programs today, they have this independent program that manages your resources from CyberLink. And so that should come with your download. And so I'm launching that right now, and here's my PowerDirector 365. I can actually launch the program from here by clicking on the button on the right. But all the resources I'm going to be looking at that I don't have in my initial installation are found in the panel on the left. They're called effect packs. When I click on that, it will show me all of the effect packs that I have available, whether I've installed them or not. When you start out, there are 23 additional packs available beyond the normal installation. And you note that we have a title for each of them, we have an install button, and then we have a size. The size varies from approximately 3 megabytes to 1.409 gigabytes in size. And so you can scroll up or down in the panel and locate any of these packs you'd like to install, and then click on the install button. Now you notice that after each of them there happens to be a little I, at least in many of the cases, that gives you information about that. When you click on the I, it takes you to the website at CyberLink, and it gives you a description of what that particular pack contains. For example, here the Blogger's Social Media Pack gives me 12 more titles, 8 more picture-in-picture options, and 6 particle templates. And if you scroll down, you'll get a picture that will give you somewhat of an illustration of the kinds of things that are involved in that. So you can look at it, and to some degree you can preview it before you actually decide to download it or not. So these are the options that you have when you go there. We're going to close that right now and go back to another one. The biggest one, the one I would recommend doing first of all, is the Content Pack Essential. You notice that's 1.4 gigabytes, and there is no icon here showing you what it is, because it's basically a lot of different things that have accumulated over time. You'll notice the date will tell you about when they were introduced or released. And right now my most recent date is 12/29/20. There's nothing earlier than November of 2020 available. Let's download one to show you how to do that. I'll take a small one like this Outdoor LUT pack. Click on the install button. I have to accept the license. And then we'll see an install progress. And now it's installed in my package. When I go back to my copy of CyberLink PowerDirector, I can click over here and I can click on my effect room, and I see my color LUTs, but it's not installed. Let's try to reload it. We'll close the package out. I'll go back and reload PowerDirector, and now we'll go into our effect room, and now I see I have them. My color LUTs, there are 12 that I can use here to change the colorization of my projects. So you have to reload the program after downloading the changes in some cases. So if you don't see them right away, just reload the program and you should be good to go. We'll close it again. But these are the options, and it says that they are installed when indeed you've done that. And so you can do that for all or some of the additional effect packs available to you as a new subscriber in PowerDirector 365 for Mac.